this video we'll be looking at the measurement tools found in Toolbar 2. We'll be focusing on the ruler. Where do we find the ruler? If we go look at Toolbar 2 and click on the measurement tools, it'll bring up our 4 different tools. We have the ruler, the protractor, the geodrag protractor, and the compass. Today we're going to be looking at the ruler. So we click on our tools and we click on our ruler. With our ruler we have 2 sets of measurements, centimeters and inches. Now there are a number of functions that you can actually do with the ruler before we even start measuring. We can swap the centimeters and the inches around, so for whichever measurement you're using you can have that on top. We'll keep centimeters on the top for this one. If I hold my mouse or touch on the ruler anywhere on the middle, you'll see I have 4 arrows. This means if I click and hold, I can move and reposition my ruler to where I want it to be. If you then hold the mouse or touch the board on the edges of the ruler, you'll see that it changes to a turning circle. And if we click and hold, what that actually does is turns my ruler. The great thing about this is you can actually see on the measurement that it gives you a 0 to 180. So I will know where I've gone, and it actually stops on 0. So it lines itself up. We can go to the end of the ruler, and if you click there you will see that you have a double-sided arrow. This allows me to make my ruler shorter or longer, keeping my exact measurements that I've been using. We have the drop-down menu, which has our features for our normal objects, and then we have a resize handle. Caution when using the resize handle. If you've already started measuring using the ruler, and then you go change the size of the ruler with the resize handle, you will notice that the measurements change. So you will have different measurements. My suggestion is get the ruler ready before you start any of your measurements, then they will stay consistent. Please remember that this is not accurate to an actual ruler that's on your desk. We are using different screens, and when we project onto our board, that ruler is a lot larger, so you need to make this clear for your children. Let's go use our ruler. Here I have a parallelogram. I need to go and measure it. So what I'm going to do is click on my measurement tools in Toolbar 2, select my ruler by clicking, and bring it up. Remember, anywhere in the middle we can move it. So I'm going to go and align it. One of the great tools that we can work with our measurement tools is the magic pen. So if you go and select the magic pen and draw a rectangle or square around it, it will automatically zoom. And this allows me to check that I'm aligned. Again, if I want to go see what the measurement is, 10.7. So the students can come up and write. So we can use a ruler for measurement. We can also use it to draw lines. As we know, if we hold the ruler anywhere on the edges, it will turn and will give us the angle that it's at. So if I would like to do a perpendicular line, I'm going to turn it to 90. I'm then going to bring it and put the measurements on, and I'm going to take my pen and I'm going to go and draw along the edge of the ruler. Now the great thing about this ruler is you don't actually have to be spot on. You can go anywhere next to it and it will draw the line. If we needed to do a 45-degree angle, again we would go to the edge, come down till it says 45, go select a pen and go and draw. And there I have a 45-degree angle. So the ruler is more than just a measuring tool in this instance. Thank you for watching this video brought to you by the Technology Training Academy.